Let's make some ground turkey meatballs. Here's what you're gonna need: a pound of ground turkey, 1 egg, garlic powder, onion powder, some mayo, Lipton tea soup. I'm using the onion mushroom, and 4 slices of bread. Yes, 4 slices, folks. A cup of Parmesan cheese. Let's get into this. When you're mixing in your bread, you want to mix in one at a time just so you can make sure you get it fully incorporated. If you're doing it like this, I usually use my meat grinder and stick it all in there at the same time and let it do the work. But if you're doing it by hand, just make sure you get every little piece of that bread mixed in before you mix the other end. Other than that, it's going to be kind of tough doing it with, your hand if you start off with all 4 pieces.
You're chilling in the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling in the rain. You're some kind of butterfly.
Now you can eyeball the size of your meatballs that you want to. Some people like to make them this big right here, what I'm doing, but I'm not really too in particular about these size meatballs. So this is what I usually do. I use a tablespoon and get it scooped out, and I roll little small ones like this because I like to put bite-sized meatballs. I don't like to take 2 and 3 bites out of a meatball like those. I like to be able to take 1 bite if I have to, just put the whole meatball in your mouth, but take a scoop of that with a tablespoon and just roll it into a ball like so, and go ahead until you fill up your tray. Now, we making meatballs for other meals. You don't have to do it. You can do it right now if you want to, but you will cook the meatballs first anyway, so we're just going to go ahead and make them, and we're going to go ahead and pre-cook these for another meal. I have some stroganoff that I like to make when I use these turkey meatballs for. If you want to check that out, it's in my channel as well. But anyway, folks, we're going to take these to the oven. We're going to bake them at 300 for 45 minutes. And here we go, folks. Store these up in a Ziploc bag in your freezer for your next meal creation. Thanks for watching.